How much, what's the rent? Okay. So you have window line here onto Valencia. Just 3 rooms right in a row here. There's carpet in this portion, but there's wood on this part. Do you think you can dump a gloss or something on the wood to make it a little shinier like the last one? Or do you think you can dump like a gloss on the wood just to kind of?
Oh yeah.
You can make it look kind of more a little bit like the other one. The ceilings are shorter in here. They're not super short. What do you think they are? 9 feet?
Probably.
9-foot ceilings maybe. The ones in the other space were like 15.
I'd say.
15. Kind of a kitchen and bathroom over here. Your own bathroom. And then smaller window back here. This one's definitely a lot more open, but doesn't have the same panache really. Perfect.